This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the hotspot and verifying the essentials. Turn the unit on, plug in if battery is low, and wait for the status LEDs to stabilize. Once the power LED is steady, confirm the SIM is seated or eSIM activated with your carrier. Make sure you know the default SSID and password printed on the device so you can connect quickly. After that, open your phone or laptop Wi-Fi menu and locate the hotspot SSID to begin pairing. Now configure the connection settings through the hotspot app or web interface. Log in using the default credentials and change the SSID and a strong password. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security so devices stay protected. Next, pick the radio band, use 5 GHz for speed nearby, 4 GHz for range, and limit connected devices if you expect heavy usage. Also set data warnings and sleep policies to prevent overage. Once saved, finally, connect your devices and verify internet access by loading a web page or running a quick speed check. Monitor the signal bars and data counters in the app so you can adjust placement for better reception. Move the hotspot near a window or higher location if needed. If connection fails, power cycle the hotspot first, then reset the SIM and verify APN settings with your carrier. If problems persist, switch bands or tether one device at a time to isolate interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.